Good morning, people. Day 2 of a trip. This is Murli, my close friend. And of course, you know the big bear. Right there.
Good morning.
So, day 2, and now we're planning to go to Upper Bhavani. Raj is ready.
Hey guys.
And then Srinivas is also getting ready. Stay with us. We'll go have breakfast. We'll finish up the breakfast and then go to Upper Bhavani. And we'll show you some very good tea estates, do some drone shots, time lapses, and come back. Stay in touch. What's happening?
So, the first thing is we are having breakfast, then fueling up.
We'll start with a good morning, sir. Good morning, YouTube. बोलो सर.
Good morning, YouTube.
थोड़ा जोश में बोलो सर.
What's up, people?
What's up, people? Hit that intro. Well, today plan is we'll have breakfast. First thing is fill up our tummy, fill up our bike's tummy, and then go to Upper Bhavani. Man, this is beautiful. I'll tell you, the climate in Ooty is excellent. It was a pretty cold night yesterday, but then Upper Bhavani is a very scenic place. A lot of tea estates, a lot of rock formations. We plan to go there, have some idli dosas. Hop in guys, road is free, road is open, come. Guys, you're supposed to take a right turn here. Here, this right. What's this guys, left side?
Tea estate.
Tea estates. You should ride into those tea estates. There's a place there, see, you can go up. Okay, we've reached Lovedale. Ooh, what a space. Man, I'll tell you what, if I keep recording this, no, my memory card will go full. क्या करूँ मैं?
Nandi Jala, you can use mine.
I can use yours, okay. We're on the outskirts of Lovedale, and this is how the place looks. It's a fantastic place. We'll have a lot more places of this sort. Yeah. Bada left third. Kalkatti. Angu hogbodu. I remember having chai here.
Time to get some new gadgets.
What? This is doing good. Only thing is it's not taking my command, that's all. The hill in the front.
Actually hills ಇದೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದು.
ಹೌದು ಹಂಗೆ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. See this? Superb it looks. And especially those tea plantations ಗೆ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾನಲ್ಲ. Those cuttings for the tea plantations are looking so good. You can as well come here, hire a bike and go, you know.
Oh, is that? I didn't know that.
Yeah, I can do that. Next time you are coming with the family, you can always call Murli and ask him to give you a Rentorq.
Devarshala. We'll have some juice and go away. That's it.
Wow, see that thing on the top? Why?
The lighter green one is fresh growed, huh?
Must be, yes. That's not the tender leaves. Looks good, no? What's that vehicle going on the top there? How did he go there? Can we also go there?
Private property, the right. Right here.
Oh, there's a right here, correct.
It's a Chamaraj Tea Estate.
Okay. Oh, what's this, boss?
This is nice.
Nice. I'm on a wide angle, so I should be getting this footage proper. Car.
Balakrishna Swami Temple.
Car. This man, super. River.
Koti Ben.
What's that?
It says Koti Ben.
Koti Ben, is it?
Emerald Dam 23.
Huh?
Emerald.
Emerald Dam, correct. 23 over return बन पड़ा ना?
मैंने क्या?
Come back, Astana.
Emerald is Ooty is somewhere around 20, 25, yeah, 27 kilometers, I guess.
Start on. One more recording, that's all.
Oh, you have come to Maryland.
Otherwise, I'll have to cut that footage. Good one. Hey, car Radhe.
Car is on here. TT. Got 9. So we have past 3.
Raj, be careful, Raj. I saw you missing control.
Yeah, I just lost control.
Keep your eyes on the road. Be conscious. Let's hit the 9 hairpin bends, okay? I'm recording completely. Vinay, isn't this looking like Agumbe Ghat?
Yeah.
But Agumbe Ghat is not this dense, no?
It is, sir.
Says, is it? Probably I went in the wrong time.
Pass. There's no vehicles.
Pass. Hold it. Vinay, say.
Keep coming.
SRK, go. SRK is not able to hear me and I'm screaming here. SRK, go. What's that on the front? Guys, heads up.
What do you mean by heads up?
Heads up and see.
Yeah, that's outside.
That's what I said. Bloody bugger, burnt out tube light. What did I tell you?
Beauty, they couldn't find her.
Oh, I'm recording.
Yeah, that's how we
Describe.
Mother Nature.
Yeah, describe it.
Mother India.
Hello. கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பீட் எடுக்குப்பா இது ரொம்ப தான் ஸ்லோ ஆச்சு 30ல போயிட்டு இருக்குது அது அடிங்கப்பா கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பீடு
வேண்டாம்
ஒரு 14 அடிங்கடா
Two sharp curves. Don't push us like
Don't push us. Where the fuck? Oh no, we're not going to help each other. Go. Oh yeah, it's a dam. Yes, it's a
Ramaya Bridge.
Whatever it is.
Bridge, not a dam.
No, there's a dam there. What's on the right? Oh, yes, stupid bugger. What were we telling you?
Tube light,
Tube light, no. Burnt out tube light.
It says Kunda Dam.
Super it is.
Yeah, probably. I think we can stop somewhere here.
Come back.
Not come back. I'm just having a look.
Okay. Come, go a little more further. I'm repping to my heart content bus. Hurry, why did you all stop? Hairpin bend.
Why?
What happened?
Almost overshot it.
What are you doing, boss? Why are you not concentrating on road? You want to stop, Vinay?
No.
So please concentrate on the road. भैया फीको भैया जगह दे दो भैया clear hairpin bend till the hairpin bend clear come up ba 27 also clear come I'm on 29 it's clear come there's no oncoming traffic okay this is St. Alphonsus School. I've come this side before. What is he doing now? Where is he going? See that bugger, he's seeing somewhere, he's going somewhere. Huh? This is Manjur. Careful, there are some stupid buggers. There's one guy getting into the road.
Awesome. Nilgiri is not Assam.
When I joke, nice joke though. Wow, see that thing there in the front. Nice, no? Why are these cars so many parked here?
Taxi.
Okay, Today's Saturday. They should have been busy. I mean, check out the scene here. Put it on to the left and take a look. Oh, see those in the front, guys. I don't want to speed up at all. 34 out of 34. Hairpin bends. Where are you? Oh, you're right behind me. I wanted to do that stretch off-roading.
But it's a private property.
It's a private property, yes.
It's key out.
Kick us out. Cattle on road, cattle on road. See the front left alley. Wow. Taishole plantation. Taishole plant. Am I dehydrated? Okay, there was once we had taken photo from here.
No internet, huh?
Absolutely nothing. I love this place, man. I'll tell you what. This is what I was speaking. SRK, somebody had to explain it to him. This is what I was trying to say. You'll ride through the tea estate. Watch out, bikes. Watch out, bikes. Bikes.
What place is this?
This is not Ooty.
Then what is this?
This is heaven.
Oh man.
अरे
This is the actual bliss.
अरे कविरत्न कालिदासा हो गया ना भाई तू. Getting ecstasy here. Carefully choose the words, guys. I'm gonna present this on YouTube, so be careful. Ecstasy. Hey Raj, this is the place we came, we stopped, we went back.
Was this the place?
Yes, Upper Bhavani.
Korakunda.
Private vehicles without prior permissions are not allowed to visit.
See,
They will be stopped at
correct. We came.
Kurindin Forest Checkpost.
We will go. Then Chinnakkorai.
Go. Hit.
Go, we are going.
Take the right. Right. Keep going. Keep going. Wait, SRK, go. SRK, go.
He doesn't have an intercom. Who are you talking to?
Good. Oh, there was a super skid there performing. Oh.
What happened? There's a car coming.
There's an incoming car.
Hairpin, car.
Oh, there's a lot of guys here.
Yeah.
Oh my sweet God, what kind of happened wind is this?
Yeah.
This is steep.
Cheaper.
How are you?
Oh.
They're recording it, right?
Yep.
That's right. This is the oncoming car. So we are not alone in this jungle.
Sorry? What happened? What happened?
Hey, man, there's another happening. This is awesome.
Hey, die.
Raj.
Watch out.
I almost fell.
Almost fell down. Okay.
I almost fell down.
Okay, okay, okay. You didn't know. Raj, relax.
I'm
Don't think about it. Guys, check onto the right.
அந்த ரோடு போகணும் சார்.
Oh yeah, super, super. What's this? Oh, lale. No, I mean don't stick to the center of the road, okay?
A truck ahead of me. Slow down,
Okay,
please.
okay.
Circling.
a huge one.
Okay, okay,
Ready pass, ready
okay,
pass.
okay, okay, okay. Where's he passing? Where's he passing? Okay, okay, okay,
You better
okay,
stop.
okay, okay, okay. Hey people, finally, no, this time I pressed the record
This
button.
time, see,
It's so happy.
See, before this guy starts, okay, he was just recording us for 5 minutes and he didn't press the record button. So again, he's redoing it again.
No,
Okay?
no. This time I made it a point that I pressed the record button and it's getting recorded. Now we're in a place called Chinnakorai. Now Chinnakorai is actually downhill, and we have a tea factory there. It's one among the oldest tea factories at this vicinity, and it leads us through a mini forest. I see a lot of bird action over here. Lot of bird action. I see grey-headed canaries and oriental white eyes and all this stuff. So we stopped here for a small break, and this is how the place looks. This is, oh yeah. So stay with us. After this we're going to another place. That's also a very scenic place. It's actually a tea estate with some rock formations at the back. So we do that and then go back to Ooty. Hey guys, you want your footage? I can give it to you. But sorry, YouTube. Okay, I'll include all your photos or the videos in that YouTube. I hope you all don't have a problem. Taking an authentication on this, that is why. Yeah. Right, chalo. Where are you all from? Malappuram. Okay, good. Okay, take care. Bye bye. See you. I'm from Bangalore. Sorry.
Channel name.
Wild Rider Bangalore.
I'll ride a bang. Selfie. Okay.
Wild Rider Bangalore. Leave in your numbers there. I can send you your pictures.
Okay.
Hey, lovely. Nice one. Guys,
Okay.
please send me that thing on the number. I've given it to him. Yeah? See you. Bye bye. Take care. Who got connected?